Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video of the, what is it called? What's the official name of it? The Steam Deck docking station, or as people have been calling it, the Deck Dock. I was thinking about purchasing something third party, and then right as I was thinking about doing that, lo and behold, they actually released the official one, the one that's made by Valve. So I'm going to open it up today, and I'm not going to do any testing or anything like that. I'm not really going to show you it working at all, but I'm going to just kind of give you a very brief overview of what the device is and what it looks like and what it's capable of. Okay, so here is the box. Connect your deck, it says. It says contents 1 docking station. I would sure hope so. Let's just get it open here real quick. Now, if you haven't seen the video that I made recently, it was one of my first ever scripted videos about talking about the Steam Deck and what it's capable of and why I'm excited about this dock. Check out the video up here. There it is. Anyway, here we're greeted with the Deck Dock. Ooh, it's actually feels kind of substantial for what it is. It feels, like it's just a kind of a little hunk of plastic, but it actually has a little bit of a heft to it. Here's the USB-C cable that'll plug into the top of the deck. Let's get into the rest of what's in here, which I don't think there is much other than the power brick. This is the same exact power brick as what we see with the Steam Deck. So it comes with the same exact power brick. That's nice, because if you have it set up at your gaming station, PC station, whatever, and you don't want to unplug this all the time, kind of like just think about the Switch and how you need to lug around the power adapter for that to charge it, whatever. This gives you the power adapter and the deck dock at the same time, so you don't have to unplug this ever, right? Because this does plug into this. I think we can justify the price a little bit better knowing that it does come with this, considering that sometimes companies like to put a premium price on their like power adapter accessories. So $89 for both of these things, I think is pretty fair, especially since it's like a first party hardware thing. Let's actually take a look at the dock itself. So the dock itself actually looks pretty good in terms of I/O. You've got 3 USB-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, which I'm excited for my application. That was a must-have for me in terms of potentially using the Steam Deck for when I go to Portland for PDX LAN. You do have that USB-C delivery pass-through, which is excellent to see. You do have HDMI 2.0, would have liked to see 2.1, but hey, what can you do? And a DisplayPort 1.4. This dock and the Steam Deck also support multi-stream transport. It enables multiple monitors, supports up to 4K, 60 Hertz, and 1440p 120 Hertz. It's also worth mentioning that it does have FreeSync support. Overall, it feels great. I'm really glad that I waited for this rather than going with something third party. The third party options are still very viable and are almost half the price, but to get the power adapter and to get the dock at the same time, bing bang boom, we have everything we need for the setup rather than having to go out and buy another power adapter and fiddle with all of that stuff. It's all right here. So actually, I'll show you what it looks like in the dock here. Not that you're going to be able to see it super well. Okay, well, it sits in there just fine. Not really much to say about it other than the cable is a good length. There's not really, other than like to show you it working, there's not really much else to say about it other than everything feels good as it should. I really like, okay, so let's talk about this. I really like how the USB-C cable has this sort of slant here. And so when you plug it in, it fits as perfectly as you would imagine it would. But to be able to unplug it, to be able to get your thumb under that, actually really helps. And it feels, cable feels good. The end on here feels really nice. It's rubberized, so I have no like worries about durability for me, for my personal use case. Excellent. Well, that's been a very quick look at the Steam, what do they call it again? Hold on. The Steam Deck docking station. What do you guys think of the deck dock? Do you think I spent too much money on this? Do you think it's fair? Or do you think I should have just bought a third-party accessory? Leave your comments down below. And let me know if you like this video format. It went really well with the Aldi keyboard, which was just a totally random video. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe hit the bell if you want to see more content like this. I might be making more Steam Deck content, especially after I made that video. I learned a ton about the deck and what it's capable of, and some of that information in that video might be irrelevant. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. See ya.